Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do this reveal image effect. I'm going to use Etch, and as you can see here, if you reveal to every block, you get image reveal for each block. It's pretty easy if you follow along this video, and we're going to use Etch. So this builder is by Kevin Gary. It's fairly new for the WordPress builder world and got a lot of pretty cool features. It forces you to be a developer, but overall it's pretty cool builder. So we're going to dive in the builder and we're going to use a lot of stuff, and we'll be focusing on CSS to do this reveal effect. So let's start building. So right now we are inside the builder. This is how it looks. So let's start by adding a section from down below. These are the elements of Etch. So we add a container. Container is automatically comes with section. So we're going to add here in above there is a heading and like text or subheading. So we're going to just do it as let's add a heading and text here. And let's make this BIM classes here. Okay. So as you can see, we're going to display flex. Okay. And let's make this really quick before I forgot. Order negative font, so it's come first, and let's add here. Let's grab the text. Usually this projects for the subheading. And this one for the okay. And we're going to make this H1. By the way, I'm also using automatic CSS just to be sure here. Okay. So we're going to give this heading like width of 20 ch, give it 15. Okay, and let's font size be rem, make it 4 rem. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, so let's style this real quick here. Size maybe 15 pixel. Okay, let's use pixel here, and let's give it font weight 500. Okay, so this looks cool. Check here, make it a bit small. Let's give it like 13, 14. Okay. That is, so we did the heading here real quick. Just move this. Okay, let's add a div here, and the div will be, let's name it projects, and we're going to add inside of it another div. So this is the projects wrapper, and will be wrapper here, wrapper, and let's make this one. Let's give it class of projects. Make it display flex, and give it width 100. Do the same here. Just want to add, will be like there is 2 blocks inside of this wrapper or divs, so we add 2 divs here, and in this div will be text here, be text, yeah, text or content, like let's name it heading, and this will be like button. Let me just name this text. So the class will be short, and let's add here heading and a text. Okay, and button, going to add a text, and let's name it button. Button. Very strange. Why? Button. Okay. So we got the elements. We're going to add an image here, dynamic image or image figure. Put it here. Come on. Okay. Want to make it here. It's not working here. Same with the. Let me just. Okay. Not going to work. So inside of this wrapper, we're going to add figure. Figure will be here. Okay. And the figure will be inside of it an image. I'm going to choose this image, this one. Okay. I'm pretty sure we got all our elements, so we are safe to BIM, add our BIM classes. Pretty sure we are safe to do it. Let me check. Okay, good to go. Added our BIM classes for every. Here we got the same name here. We don't want that, so let me just. Yes, tell you what. Let me name this just div. Okay, let us remove this. Add wrapper div. Forgot dot wrapper div. Okay. Okay. So it doesn't come. Forgot to. That's these will get the same class if they are the same name. So I'm pretty sure we got to go here. Got our BIM classes. Okay. So we can remove this class. Let me just. Okay. Let's start styling. So the rebel will be display flex, and will be row. It's row by default. And going, we just make the figure here, give it height and width. Height will be 300 pixel. Okay. And wrapper here will be width 100. Okay. And will be, let us just add our padding space s space s. Let's try m here, or let's go with m. We can change it later. So we got our stuff here, and let us make it space between, and let us center these items. Okay. And let me just make this wrapper here. Let's make it position relative. Okay. And let us make the figure here position, not opacity, position, absolute, absolute. Okay. And top will be 0. And left will be 0 also. And we're going to, okay, to height, and let us give it width here, width of 300 pixel, and going to give it like 50% here, and the top will be negative 50%. Okay, so far so good. Okay, great. Just check here. Okay, we got like, okay. So here, let me grab text, this one, and let me grab, okay. Here will be button or tags right here. Okay. Me just make this H4. H3 will be good. H3. And this one will give it like font weight of 500. That's a lot. Leave it as it is. Let us just give it font size be 15, not 15. I guess the font size is alright here. Just adjust the, can adjust the width from here. Don't want to just adjust the width from here. Okay, let's give it like 20 ch. That's Okay. And let's make text here. Text wrap balance. Okay. Give it a bit of weight. Like 500. Okay. Okay, pretty cool. So let us give this, make it display flex. Okay. And let's make it row, not row, column. And let us give it like row gap of 1 rem. Okay. 1 rem, it's good. Okay, pretty good. And let us style the button really quick here. So the button will be, give it padding, block padding of m and padding inline p1 rem 0.8 rem. Okay, give it, let's, forgot to change the background here, so section background color. Okay, give this white background color, white. Okay, see, give it border radius 4 pixel. Okay, looks nice. Let's give the font, so even you can get the idea how to go with Etch. So we save, okay, and we can, and right now we're going to add the counter here. So we're going to make this, it's relative right now, this, so going to make this a list. Okay, and these will be best, and we're going to add to this project will be like, let's add counter here, counter reset, name it project. Okay, and here will be the counter project, and the project will be position relative. Okay, check, and we're going to add a before here, so we're going to do for project and okay, so let us style this real quick here. So we're going to make it font size will be like 20 pixel, 20 rem. Wow. Okay, let's make it 8 rem, and let us give it a bit of weight, like 700. Make opacity 2. Great. You sure we're going good here? Okay, let us just make, right now we're going to make the hover effect here, hover reveal effect. You can see when we hover, let's make the image opacity 0, and let us make the going to select the parent, so when we hover here, image appears here. So we're going to do it from the child, so it grabber, and we hover and selecting the child. Okay, and opacity will be 1. Pretty simple, you see here. So we're going to add transition, be 0.5 seconds, and out. Check here. So you see, make the, let's go here, add another transition. This child in, out. Just check. Okay. Pretty cool. So we're going to add another, this wrapper going to add another hover, change the background to white when we hover to the this wrapper. So going to do this, over and background color be just white. Okay, see, okay, okay, pretty cool. So as you can see here, when we hover, we get the image reveals and get this cool effect. So the good thing here, and why I did this counter, it's CSS counter. So when we go to here and going to duplicate this 3 times here, see, 2, 3, 4. You see here the numbers, I didn't change anything. It says just going in counter here, gave me every block here in the list a number on order. So let us go to the project here and let's make it column. So you see here. Let me just save. And we go here. You see it's working. Let us just go to this one. Add a border real quick. We can do the before here, but going to just add border top, and will be 1 pixel solid gray. Okay, and we'll do the same to the bottom. Border, bottom, 1 pixel, so solid gray. Okay, see? And going to add another button here. So yeah, I just going to add another button. Let me just can do this one. Just remove these for the sake of the button, and going to make it like button class and display flex, and let's give it like column gap be like 1 rem, maybe 3, no, 2. Okay, and we can do the same here. You just forgot the button to add the button, but you get the idea here. Can change buttons here, text, change this to design, and yeah, this is the, can put bunch of stuff here, text, and you can see here it every block have an image. So we're going to change images here, and add this one, add this one. Let us check it, and there you go. Every block have image effect reveal. So here it is, guys. So this was in Etch, and I hope you learned something new here. If you're using Etch, if you want more Etch tutorials, you can ask me in the comment down below. But overall, I just want to use Etch and show you these tricks. And yeah, hope you learned something new here. And as usual, if you did, you can like and subscribe. It really helps. And yeah, see you in the next time, guys. Goodbye.